Hi, I'm Pastor Willie Dwayne Francois III, and it's election time. Right now, what we need is everyone in our communities dedicated to the voting process. What makes a democracy is the amount of participation that we get from people who have values, people who have deep commitments, and what we need in this moment are people who are committed to economic justice, people who are committed to racial justice, people who are committed to environmental justice and women's rights.
Hey.
The ballots came in the mail today. You told me to bring it to you as soon as you
All
got
right.
it.
All right. Let me grab my glasses. So you're pulling everything out. This is the envelope. All right. So the envelope looks like this. Got
Okay,
it?
yeah.
And you
Got
pulling
that.
everything out. Everything goes step by step. This should be simple, man. You ready? I'm gonna walk you through this.
Okay.
All right, so first, you did that already. Pull out your ballot and mark your candidates. Mark the candidates that you are voting for. Now, you know you got the school board in there also, so you're going to do that
Oh,
one
school
also.
board's in here too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So step two,
yes.
you need to fill that out. That yellow, that side where the yellow is, yeah. And then you sign.
Oh, yeah, there's a
Sign.
big red X.
So, all right, so you sign there. And then step three, you take your ballot, put inside there, inside that certificate.
Both of them?
Both of them,
Okay.
everything. Yeah, ballots, put them inside. All right, and then should be a strip. You see, yep, that strip.
I see the strip.
Okay, you pull that off. Make sure we don't
Okay,
tear
it
the
says
flap.
do not tear off the flap.
Yep, just close everything down. Yep, there you go. Step four, put those envelopes into the return envelope.
Yeah.
Then you
okay.
seal that envelope.
Seal this one too.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay, and once you seal it, you ready to drop that baby in the mail. This is Pastor James Duncan,
And this is Pastor Albert Morton.
and we are very concerned about you voting and making sure that everyone votes this year.
We will not tolerate the beating on of black people any longer. We will stay in these damn streets until every Negro in the country can vote.
And I want you to know I'm lit. I'm lit. And Pastor Duncan is woke.
And we are ready to make sure this election goes forward. God bless you. Have a great day.
Voting by mail is easier today than ever before in New Jersey because you can do it, as I said, from the comfort of your home.